Okay, let's look at a few different items in the recovery kit. We've got steel shackles, the traditional type, which is a screw-on system, and they vary in usage from 3 to approximately 5 tons. And I just want to explain to you quickly all the markings is on it. When we start dealing with the equipment individually with the recovery, we will go into detail with that. Using it in the forward position, from that direction, it will give you the full capacity or the full breakage capacity of the shackle. If we move to a side direction, you're going to only have 50% of the shackle. So if your connection points are over there, you halve the efficiency of the shackle.